Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts in Pipedrive. It may seem like a simple task, but it's very important if you want to keep your CRM system clean and organized. Whether you are removing outdated information or just decluttering your contact list, this process helps keep everything running smoothly. First, make sure you're logged in to your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, head over to the Contact section from your dashboard. The interface is designed to be intuitive, so it should be easy to find. This section is the heart of your CRM, where all your contact information is stored, which is why keeping it clean is so important. Next, go through your contact list and decide which contacts you want to remove. Take your time and review carefully. Once you've identified them, click the checkbox next to each contact's name. It's important to double-check your selection to avoid accidentally deleting someone important. After selecting the contacts, look at the top of your screen and click on the trash can icon. This action starts the deletion process, so make sure you're ready before proceeding. Once you click it, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is your final chance to review your decision. If you're sure you want to delete the selected contacts, click Delete to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully deleted contacts from your Pipedrive account. It's a simple but essential process for keeping your CRM organized and efficient. Regularly reviewing and cleaning your contacts ensures that your system continues to support your workflow effectively. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials.